Hello everyone and welcome back to yet another review. This is the Genesis GV70 and I can't tell you how excited I am to cover it for you. Let's check it out. The Genesis GV70 is a luxury compact crossover SUV that was introduced by the Korean automaker Genesis in 2020. This 2023 version has some key updates and some key features which I will take you through. The headlamp design on the Genesis vehicles is a trademark and can be the differentiator between all its competitors. It retains this design across all its designs and it brings out the Genesis unique brand. From an exterior perspective, the GV70 has a stylish and modern exterior design with a sporty profile and a distinctive front grille, pretty similar to its elder and bigger brother, the GV80, which is a 7-seater. The GV70 is available in several color options including Big Black, Atlanta White, Himalaya Grey, Mono Red and Capri Blue to name a few. This of course is a special edition and that's why you see it in a matte finish and boy it looks gorgeous. This variant is full bore and top notch and is exclusive and comes with a 19-inch alloy sport wheels. This is the full option variant. For those of you who haven't yet subscribed, please make sure to press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of the future reviews. And for those who are returning back, thank you as always for your support. The GV70 gets good boot size too, with 542 liters available up to luggage cover, which compares with the likes of the BMW X3, Audi Q5 and Mercedes GLC, all of which have a sizable boot space of 550 liters. It's worth pointing out that the GV70 backseat only split folds to 60-40 formation and there is no loading through for narrow items, unlike the 40-20-40 arrangement of most of the competing German cars. Step inside and you will notice that the GV70 offers way much more than its competitor. This is one area where I feel it does really well and has exceeded my expectation. You name it, it has leather upholstery, interior ambient lighting, a heated steering wheel and a host of driver assist features including a remote self-parking feature, a panoramic sunroof and a 16-speaker Lexion stereo system. With a large windscreen infotainment system sprouting from the dashboard and a click wheel control on the center console, the GV70 adopts the infotainment arrangement from its larger brother, the GV80. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and a 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspots are all standard features. The Genesis GV70 also comes with a 5-year care plan depending on which dealership you buy the car from. It also offers unlimited mileage, collection and return for servicing. The service is included in the price and along with a 5-year roadside assistance too. The dash has a lovely layered design with curved elliptical elements everywhere and a nice mixture of leather. The only cons that I feel is the placement of the gear knob and this rotary dial. It sometimes may happen that when you're trying to change the gear, the rotary information control knob gets in the way of switching the radio stations. The GV70's interiors overall is spacious and luxurious with room for up to 5 passengers. It features a 14.5-inch touchscreen infotainment system, a digital instrumental cluster and a panoramic sunroof. Now talking pricing, the new 2023 Genesis GV70 just starts about 180,000. The GV Genesis competes with very well-known competitors, one being the closest, the XE series from Volvo. The GV70 is impressive when it comes to safety specs. It comes with several advanced safety features including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning system, automatic emergency braking and blind spot monitoring. It has received high safety ratings from independent testing organizations such as the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. The GV70 is available with two engine options, a 2.5-litre turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that produces 300 horsepower and 300 feet of torque. This engine is expected to give you a fuel economy of 22 in the city and 28 miles per gallon on the highways. You also have a 3.5-litre turbo engine for which you can expect an average of 19 in the city and 24 miles per gallon on the highway. The 3.5-litre twin turbocharged V6 engine produces 375 horsepower and 391 feet of torque. Both engines are mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission and both are an all-wheel drive. The GV70 has an excellent acceleration and handling with a 0 to 60 miles of time at around 5.8 seconds for the V6 engine. It also has a smooth and comfortable ride thanks to its adaptive suspension system. Overall, the Genesis GV70 is a well-rounded luxury crossover SUV that offers compelling combinations of style, performance and safety features. Its competitive pricing compared to its rivals is also a plus point. The GV70's high-end looks and posh cabin steals the spotlight from established players and makes the Genesis look like a real steal. Now what you can expect from the GV70 is impressive handling, standout design, amazing value. However, that does come with its cons. I've heard that the brake pedal bites are very firm and this can at times be a problem. There's also a slight issue with the transmission and can be a little slow when it comes to downshifts.